Hello tech enthusiasts. Luna here from Quantum Tech Lab, where we make technology simple, smart, and easy for everyone. In today's guide, I'll show you how to update the software on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. Keeping your phone updated is very important because software updates improve security, fix bugs, and sometimes add new features that make your device run smoother and faster. Open the Settings app. The Settings page is the main control center of your phone, where you can manage important features like display, security, apps, battery, and system updates. Next, scroll down the Settings menu until you see the Software Update option. On some Samsung devices, it may also appear near the bottom of the settings list. Tap on Software Update to open the update page. Now you will see the download and install option. Tap on it and your phone will automatically check for the latest available software update. If a new update is available, your device will display the update details such as file size, improvements, and security patches. Tap Download, wait for the download to finish, and then select Install Now. Your phone may restart during the installation process. If your phone shows your software is up to date, it means your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G already has the latest version installed. Thanks for watching Quantum Tech Lab. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more simple and practical smartphone tips, tricks, and tutorials.